Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by back. I don't know, I feel like this is the first video of the new year, but probably not. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. I'm heading home. I'm not sure how the videos are gonna look from now on, just because I'm probably gonna be carpooling to work, so I'm gonna be like dropping my car off somewhere, getting a ride to and from my car, so I'll probably won't really have too much time after work anymore. So I'll try to get a parking pass, but that's just extra money out of my pocket at the end of the day for a while, and I don't really feel like paying 50 to 90 bucks a month for a parking pass per month, if I didn't say that. So anyways, we'll see how that goes. I'd love to make awesome videos for you guys, but that might not be the case. It might just be pictures and talking for a while, I'm not sure. But yeah, so I went to the shop and now I'm headed home from the shop. So the shop's way out of my way. Like the job site's like 10-15 minutes away, and going to the shop is like 30 minutes each way. So it's like I lost an hour of sleep this morning, and now I'm losing an extra hour after work. So I could just be to and from work in like 20-30 minutes instead of 2 hours. So anyways, I'm gonna drop my car off by the job site tomorrow and then get a ride. So it'll basically, I'll be carpooling and getting home early, so it'll be great. But anyways, enough of that. Sorry about that. I got two brand new hoodies, two company brand new hoodies, which is sweet. Everyone else had them, and I was like, okay, maybe I gotta work here for a certain amount of time or whatever. And then like this new apprentice, like who's like just started with no experience, has one or two or whatever. And I was like, what the heck? So I finally asked after like 8 months of working here, and they gave me two, so that's sweet. And anyways, into today's video, in today's video, I finished the track lights, got those all working. One of them was having an issue, like when you screwed in the track head or whatever, when you screwed in the head for the track light, it basically shut all the lights off for that track light, which is weird. Basically just moved the light down and then recentered them or whatever, and it was all good. But there's like a dead zone on the track light, which is super weird. Anyways, got the lights working, and then I started working in the back room. The Corvette, I have to work on a water heater above the ceiling, and the junction box is above the ceiling, and that needs to be extended down. So I have to basically I'm gonna run a piece of flex down to another box below the ceiling, so it's accessible, and then it'll have a plug on there for the, like I did like last month or whatever. If you remember last month when I was working on the water heaters at the other job site, there's basically like a circulator pump, which basically is just a flexible cord that plugs in. So I'm gonna do one of those and then hardwire the water heater. So that's what I'll be working on tomorrow. I already started that a little bit, and the phone crashed, so that's what I'll be working on tomorrow. I'll show you guys the pictures. Sorry you have to sit here and listen to me for a while, but that's kind of where I'm at right now with the work videos and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed or will enjoy the pictures. I'll try to make them not too short, so it's more balanced out. But thanks guys for watching, I appreciate it. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and as always, God bless, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It'll help me out. And I hope to see you guys back here tomorrow for more videos, and I will try to get out more Corvette ride-along videos, because I miss making those, and I have some really great ones coming up. I'll try to do like a recap. I kind of want to do like a 2019 recap of like funniest moments in the Corvette or whatever, and then like also as a heads up of the videos coming up for the Corvette. All the videos that I have already recorded that I just have to edit through. There's like 10 of them, I swear. There's some really funny ones, and yeah, so anyways, and then lastly, check the description down below for social medias, Facebook, all that good stuff, Instagram, and I'll see you guys later. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments below, anything like that. Thanks guys so much, I appreciate it a lot. Peace out.